So today I received the plugs that I want to put in the frame holes here. This is them. So I'm going to hammer these in and plug these holes off, because nobody likes these holes. So I'm going to get a piece of wood. I'm going to hammer these in. Plug those holes off and just make it look a lot nicer. Now I've already washed in there today, and I made sure that there was nothing in there, nothing in there that'd be a problem. Okay, let me come up with a piece of wood and I'll show you how we're going to pop those in there. Be right back. Okay, so I ended up having this, I think it's about 2.5 inch, just wood dowel. That's all there is to it. Great. Alright, got them pounded in. A lot better. This looks better. Looks like it's actually finished out. So, bought these off Amazon. They were, I don't know, $10 or something for all four. I'll put a link if I can find them. And there you go. They just hammer right in there. About as easy as it gets. This is a 2016 Sierra, but any GM vehicle that's got the frame holes like that, they should fit. Later.